Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain 7th class 2nd chapter fractions and decimals review exercise. First problem. Look at the fractions and fill them in the table. So in the problem they are given 6 fractions. First we need to know about proper and improper fraction. If the denominator is big and numerator is small is called proper fraction. So improper fraction is the reverse of the proper fraction. Denominator is small, numerator big is called improper fraction. So in the table, first two rows are complete. Third row, the 11 by 9 fraction regarding proper or improper. So in 11 by 9, numerator value is big, denominator is small. So this fraction is called improper fraction. So convert this into mixed fraction. 11 by 9 it is equals to 1 2 by 9. So this is a mixed fraction. Next, fourth row, 23 by 25. In 23 by 25, numerator is small, denominator is big. So this type of fraction is called proper fraction. So this is comes under proper fraction. Next fraction, 19 by 100. So 19 by 100 is also called proper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is small, denominator is big. So next last row, 99 by 70. 99 by 70 is called improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is big, denominator is small. So convert this into improper fraction, 129 by 70. So this is about a first problem. Second problem, write the following in ascending order: 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 17 by 2 and 9 by 2. So observe all fractions, all denominators are equal. So concentrate only in numerators. So ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. So among the fractions 1 by 2 is small. So first write down 1 by 2 is less than next big number 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is less than next fraction 5 by 2 is less than next one 9 by 2 is less than 17 by 2. So this is called ascending order of the fractions. Next second Roman second one, 6 by 5, 11 by 10, 19 by 5, 7 by 10 and 5 by 10. So observe denominators 5, 10, 5, 10, 10. So denominators are different. So make into equal all denominators. 6 by 5. Multiply and divided by 2 by 2. So it becomes 6 into 2 equals to 12. 5 into 2 equals to 10. So next third fraction 19 by 5. So this is also make into denominator 10. Multiply and divided by 2 by 2. 19 2 is 38. 5 into 2 becomes 10. So remaining all denominators are equal, 10, 10, 10. So among these, so which one is small? 11 by 10, 7 by 10, 5 by 10, 12 by 10 and 13 by 10. 5 by 10 is a small fraction. So first write down 5 by 10 is less than 7 by 10 is less than 11 by 10 is less than 12 by 10 is less than 38 by 10. So 5 by 10 is less than 7 by 10 is less than 11 by 10 is less than 12 by 10. Original fraction is 6 by 5. So write down 6 by 5 is less than 38 by 10. Original fraction is 19 by 5. Write down 19 by 5. So this is ascending order. In review exercise, second problem, third one. 8 by 3, 7 by 6, 3, 1 by 4, 5 by 3 and 11 by 4. So among the all fractions, 3, 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. First convert into normal fraction. 8 by 3, 7 by 6, 3, 1 by 4. It becomes 13 by 4. 3 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 becomes 13. Next 5 by 3 and 11 by 4. So before writing ascending order of the fractions, The all denominators are different. Make into equal. Take LCM for the denominators. So LCM of denominators 3, 6, 4, 3, 4. So it is equals to 12 only. So make into all denominators are 12. So first fraction 8 by 3. Denominator is 3. Make into denominator 12. Multiply and divided by 4 by 4. 8 4 ja 32. 3 4 ja 12. So next to take second fraction 7 by 6. So this is also make into denominator 12. Multiply and divided by 2 by 2. 7 2 ja 14. 6 2 ja 12. So next fraction 13 by 4. So this is also make into denominator 12. Multiply and divided by 3 by 3. 13 3 ja 39. 4 3 ja 12. Next fraction 5 by 3. So in the denominator is 3. Make into equal 12. 3 into 4 becomes 12. So divided by 4 by 4. 5 4 ja 20. 3 4 ja 12. And next fraction 11 by 4. In 11 by 4 denominator is 4. Make into equal 12. Multiply and divided by 3 by 3. 11 3 ja 33. 4 3 ja 12. So observe all denominators are equal to 12. Now write down ascending order of the fractions. So among these 5 fractions, which one is small numerator? So 14 by 12 is small. So first write down 14 by 12 is less than. So next big one 20 by 12. 20 by 12 is less than. Next one 32 by 12. 32 by 12 is less than. And next fraction 33 by 12 is less than 39 by 12. So this is called ascending order of the fractions. So write down original fractions for the all these. 14 by 12. 14 by 12 original fraction is 7 by 6. So write down 7 by 6 is less than 20 by 12 original fraction 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is less than 32 by 12 original fraction is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is less than. For the 33 by 12 original fraction is 11 by 4. 11 by 4 is less than. 39 by 12 original fraction is 13 by 4. 13 by 4. So this is ascending order of the fractions. In review exercise, third problem, first one 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So in 3 by 4 and 7 by 4 denominators are equal. So LCM equals to 4 only. Numerators directly add 3 plus 7 equal to 10 by 4. 10 by 4 cancellation is possible. 2 2 ja 4. 2 5 ja 10. So final answer 5 by 2. So next second one 5 by 6 plus 7 by 12. So denominators are different. So make into equal. LCM for the denominator 6 and 12 equal to 12 only. So denominators make into 12 only. So 5 by 6 make into 12 denominator. 6 into 2 becomes 12. So numerator also multiply with 2 only. Plus 7 by 12 right as it is. So this is equal to 5 into 2 becomes 10. 6 into 2 becomes 12 plus 7 by 12. So denominators are equal. So LCM equals to 12 only. Numerators directly add 10 plus 7. So this is equal to 17 by 12. So cancellation not possible. So this is the final answer 17 by 12. Problem third Roman third one 1 7 by 8 minus 1 by 5. 1 7 by 8 is a mixed fraction. Convert into normal fraction. 1 into 8 becomes 8. 8 plus 7 equal to 15. So this is equal to 15 by 8 minus 1 by 5. Denominators 8 and 5 are different. Make into equal. Take LCM for the denominators. LCM for the 8 comma 5. So 8 comma 5 LCM equals to 40 only. Now make into denominators 40. 15 by 8 Observe denominator is 8. So make into equal 40. 8 5 ja 40. So numerator also multiply with 5 only. Minus 1 by 5. So this is also make into equal 40. 5 8 ja 40. Numerator also multiply with 8 only. 15 5 ja 75. 8 into 5 becomes 40. Minus 1 into 8 becomes 8. 5 into 8 becomes 40. Now denominators are equal. So LCM for the 40 and 40 is 40 only. Numerators directly subtract 75 minus 8. So denominator is 40. Subtract 75 minus 8. So this becomes 67. So final answer 67 by 40. Problem third Roman fourth one. 4 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 3. So these two fractions are mixed fractions. Convert into normal fractions. 4 into 2 equal to 8. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. So 9 by 2 minus 3 into 3 9. 9 plus 1 becomes 10. 10 by 3. So denominators are different. So make into equal. Take LCM for the 2 and 3. For the 2 and 3 LCM equal to 6. So 9 by 2, a denominator is 2, make into equal 6, 2 into 3 becomes 6. So numerator also multiply with 3 only, minus 10 by 3. This is also denominator, make into 6, multiply and divided by 2 by 2. 9 into 3 becomes 27 by 6, minus 10 into 2 becomes 20 by 6. The denominators are equal, so LCM equal to only 6. Numerators directly subtract 27 minus 20. So final answer 7 by 6. Fourth problem, first one. 1 by 4 of 3. Of nothing but multiplication only. 1 by 4 into 3. 1 into 3 becomes 3. Denominator 4. So final answer 3 by 4. So next second one. 5 by 8 of 2 by 3. Of nothing but multiplication only. 5 by 8 into 2 by 3. 5 into 2 becomes 10. 8 into 3 equals to 24. 10 by 24 cancellation possible. 2 5 ja 10. 2 12 ja 24. So final answer 5 by 12. So next third one. 15 by 4 multiply with 2 1 by 7 mixed fraction. 15 by 4 into 2 1 by 7 convert into normal fraction. 2 7 ja 14. 14 plus 1 by 4 into 2 1 by 7 equal to 15 by 4 into 2 1 by 7 is a mixed fraction. Convert into normal fraction. 2 into 7 becomes 14. 14 plus 1 equal to 15. So 15 by 7. So this is equal to 15 into 15 equals to 225 divided by 4 into 7 becomes 28. So next fourth one. 3 1 by 3 into 2 2 by 5. So 3 1 by 3 also mixed fraction. Convert into normal fraction. 3 into 3 equal to 9. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 10 by 3 into, this is also mixed fraction. Convert into normal fraction. 2 into 5 becomes 10. 10 plus 2 equal to 12. 12 by 5. 10 into 12 equal to 120 divided by 3 into 5 equals to 15. 120 by 15 cancellation is possible with 3 table. 3 5 ja 15. 3 40 ja 120. So final answer 40 by 5 again cancellation is possible. 5 1 ja 5 8 ja. So that is equal to 8 answer. In review exercise, fifth problem, first one. 3 by 4 divided by 3. 3 by 4 division reciprocal is multiplication. So into 3 nothing but 3 by 1. So 3 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 3. Numerator into numerator multiply. 3 into 1 becomes 3. 4 into 3 becomes 12. So cancellation possible. 3 1 ja 3 4 ja. So final answer 1 by 4. So next second problem. 8 divided by 2 1 by 7. 2 1 by 7 is a mixed fraction. 8 divided by 2 1 by 7 convert into normal fraction. 2 into 7 becomes 14. 14 plus 1 equal to 15. 15 by 7. Division reciprocal is multiplication. 8 into 15 by 7 reciprocal equal to 7 by 15. Numerator into numerator multiply. 8 7 ja 56 divided by 15. So final answer 56 by 15. So next third problem, 12 by 7 divided by 2 by 7. 12 by 7 division reciprocal is multiplication. 2 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 2. Numerator and denominator are equal. 7 1 ja 7 1 ja cancel. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja cancel. So remaining 6 into 1 becomes 6. 1 into 1 becomes 1. So final answer 6 only. Next fourth one, 5 1 by 2 divided by 2 9 by 11. 5 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Convert into normal fraction. 5 into 2 equal to 10. 10 plus 1 equal to 11. 11 by 2 divided by 2 into 11 equal to 22. 22 plus 9 equal to 31. 31 by 11. 11 by 2 division reciprocal is multiplication. 31 by 11 reciprocal is 11 by 31. 11 into 11 becomes 121. 2 into 31 equal to 62. So final answer 121 by 62. Okay students, this is about review exercise. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.